The new Blender 2.8 update introduced a bug into the video sequencing editor that causes the colors for the footage that you're trying to edit to go completely crazy. It makes the footage turn a bit yellow, and it increases the brightness for the image, which completely washes out all of the highlights and makes it very difficult to recover in post-processing. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix that problem on your computer so that your colors go back to normal and your footage is fine to use. So as you see on my computer screen, I already have some video footage that's been imported, and you may or may not be able to tell that the highlights are boosted a bit. It's a bit brighter of an image, and it looks a little bit yellowy, at least compared to what the original video footage was supposed to look like. So if we go over to the far right panel, you'll see that we're currently under the Output tab. It kind of looks like a printer, sort of, printing out a picture. We want to move up to the tab above that, to the little icon that looks like a camera, and that is the Render tab. And we're going to click on the Render tab, and we'll scroll to the bottom to the Color Management section. And we'll click on that, and we scroll down, and the first thing that's at the top there is Display Device. Right now it says it's displaying sRGB, which is basically just the color space that the footage is using. And if we click on that, it'll have three options: None, XYZ, and sRGB. So what we're going to click on is we're going to click on None, and as you'll see when I do this, it shifts the video color footage to what it's supposed to be. And there it is. It's a little bit of a subtle difference, but depending on the footage that you're using, it might make a really drastic difference. Now what we can do is we can either leave it on None, or we can click on it again and we can click on sRGB to put it back how it's supposed to be. Now, I don't understand a whole lot about color theory, color science, or how these programs work, but I think that it's better to switch it back to sRGB, but you can try for yourself and see what works best. The big thing to do is to make sure not to accidentally click on XYZ, because then your person will look like an alien from outer space. So don't do that. So I'd click on sRGB, and then you can continue to edit the footage as much as you like. Now, it's worth mentioning that you could do this quick little fix at any point in time during your editing, even toward the end of your edit. However, it's probably a better idea that you do it at the beginning, or at least before you do your color grading, your color editing, because this will affect the color of the outputted image. And that's it. It's that simple, just a couple of quick clicks, but it's something that I thought was difficult and hard to figure out on my own, that in fact caused me to stop using Blender for my video editing for quite some time. I couldn't find anything on YouTube or on any forum posts of how to fix this problem, so I thought I'd put something on YouTube to explain how to do it, so that hopefully nobody else comes up with this problem like I did, because it's extremely frustrating. So that's it.